Good morning, good morning. Welcome to 4x8 Paper Stuff. This is Beth. Welcome to my time to journal, an untrained person playing with lots of art supplies and having fun. Join me. Good morning. I am not going to do a regular video. I am working in my journal, but I'm not putting any journaling down. There's sun across my table. It's much later in the day than what I usually do because I wasn't going to do a video today. It seems trivial for me to talk when what's going on in the world is going on in the world. Um, but I do need this for my own sanity. So I am going to stop talking and I will see you all tomorrow. And there's sun coming through on weird angles because this is not my normal filming time. So I apologize for that. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.